Hello everyone, SteelBite Pro is to help remove the bacteria which continues to grow due to the saliva that destroys it. Within this supplement, consumers will find more than 29 distinct ingredients that were sourced from throughout the entire world, analyzed for their efficacy. This formulation starts by breaking plaque and tartar that develop in the teeth as the result of Barberine. I am satisfied, I know you will be too. And a 60 days money back guarantee really helped to decide to buy. I got huge discount. If you like to get same discount, then click the link in the description. Have a great day.